Hey guys, in the last video I showed you the flick hat and how it works. I also demonstrated the various gestures that it supports, like the flick, air wheel, touch, tap, double tap and so on. I thought of making a project that makes use of flick hat, and I came up with the idea of a safe. I had a CD-ROM with me and I decided to use its mechanism for the project. The components that I have used in this project are L298N motor driver, an old CD-ROM, Raspberry Pi, FlickHat. Now let me show you it's working. By flicking my finger left, I am able to open the safe, and by flicking it right, I can close it. The CD-ROM contains a motor, which when powered opens the CD tray. On reversing the polarity of the motor, it closes the tray. I am doing this by the use of L298N motor driver. The flick hat senses the direction of flick and commands the motor driver through Raspberry Pi to rotate it in appropriate direction. This is a very basic safe, just for the demonstration. The CD-ROM mechanism is by no means secure to lock the safe. Although this is a great hobby project that you can give a try, but if you want to make an actual secure safe, you need to implement your own lock mechanism. You can use a solenoid lock perhaps. It can be combined with a smart device like a smartwatch that can use Bluetooth to tell the safe that it's you. By this, only you would be able to open and close the safe by the flick of your finger. Thanks for watching. Please let me know your thoughts about this below in comments.